Chhattisgarh Formation Day Speech in English. Title: The Heart of India, celebrating Chhattisgarh Formation Day. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a very special occasion, Chhattisgarh Formation Day, a day that reminds us of the pride, culture and unity of this beautiful state. Chhattisgarh Formation Day is celebrated every year on November 1st. On this day in 2000, Chhattisgarh was carved out of Madhya Pradesh, officially becoming India's 26th state. The day is celebrated to honor the rich culture, natural beauty and progress of the state, and to remember the struggle and dreams of its peoples for self-identity and development. Historically, Chhattisgarh was known as the Dakshin Kosala region in ancient India, with its capital at Sirpur during the 6th to 8th centuries. Later, it came to be known as Chhattisgarh, which literally means land of 36 forts. Though there is some debate about the exact number, this name reflects the state's valiant past and fortified heritage. Chhattisgarh is blessed with both natural and cultural treasures like Raipur. The capital is the hub of growth and education. Bastar is famous for its vibrant tribal traditions and Dashera festival. Chitrakoot waterfall, often called as the Niagara Falls of India, showcases the state's stunning landscape. Sirpur preserves Buddhist and Hindu heritage from ancient times. Chhattisgarh is known as the rice bowl of India due to its vast paddy fields. Its culture is deeply rooted in folk music, dance and tribal art forms like Pandwani, Rautnacha and Sauraha dance. The people of Chhattisgarh are known for their simplicity, humility and hospitality. The state celebrates festivals like Bastar, Dashera, Hareli, Pola and Thija, reflecting deep respect for nature, tradition and women's strength. Chhattisgarh was separated from Madhya Pradesh to give a distinct administrative identity to its tribal population and local resources. The official language is Hindi, but Chhattisgarhi is the most commonly spoken and beloved local language, representing the heart of its people. A land where the forests sing and rivers dance, Chhattisgarh, the heart that beats with India's soul. On this Chhattisgarh Formation Day, let us celebrate not just the formation of a state, but the formation of identity, progress and pride. Let us promise to protect its forests, cherish its culture and contribute to its growth. Thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.